Hello, welcome to how to grow lupins from seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. I bought my seeds from a local gardening store. On the reverse of the packet will show growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Fill a propagator tray with compost. A propagator tray is a small shallow tray with a transparent plastic lid that's ideal for germinating seeds. Fill the tray to within about ½ inch of the rim. Gently press the compost down to remove any air pockets. Now water the compost. Don't overwater it, you just want it damp but not wet. Step 2. Place the seeds onto the compost. The seeds are fairly large, so can be placed individually onto the compost. Place them about a couple of inches apart. Now cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost. Press the compost down to remove any air pockets. This also ensures that the seeds make good contact with the compost. Finally, fit a label and then fit the transparent plastic cover. Step 3. Place in a warm, bright place, but not in direct sunlight. I keep mine in a spare room in my house. Step 4. Within 14 to 28 days, the seeds will begin to germinate. At this point, remove the transparent plastic cover from the propagator tray. Step 5. Keep warm and watered. Step 6. When the seedlings have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First fill the pot with compost, and then water the compost. Next, make a small hole in the centre of the compost using your thumb or a stick. Prior to transplanting, give the seedlings a good watering. Hold the seedling by a leaf and not the stem, and try to remove as much root as you can. Now place the seedling in the hole in the compost that you made earlier. Gently press around the roots, being careful not to damage them. Step 7. Keep warm and watered, and over a period of several weeks the plants will begin to mature. Step 8. When the risk of any frosts have passed, it's time to plant outside. First, give the plants a good watering. Dig your soil in the growing position. Remove any weeds and any stones. Next, dig a small hole using a trowel. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and place it in the soil. Gently press around the roots to ensure good contact. Finally, give the plant a good watering. Step 9. For seeds that have been sown early in the year, flowers will appear in the same year. Otherwise, flowering will occur in the following year. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my gardening website. Thank you and goodbye.